What is the purpose of the underscore all underscore variable in a Python module? A. It determines the way in which the module was run. B. It specifies the public interface of the module. C. It is a built-in variable that contains information about the current module. D. It is used to define the entry point for a package. The correct answer is option B. What is the purpose of the underscore iter underscore method in a Python class? A. To make the object iterable. B. To define the initial state of the object. C. To specify the default behavior when the object is printed. D. To enable the object to be used in mathematical operations. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is a correct way to create a new instance of a Python class? A. My class. B. My class. New. C. New my class. D. Create my class. The correct answer is option A. What is the purpose of the underscore iter underscore and underscore next underscore methods in a Python class? A. They are used to define a custom iterator for the class. B. They are used to define the behavior of the len and next functions for the class. C. They are used to define the constructor and destructor of the class. D. They are used to define the string representation and object comparison of the class. The correct answer is option A.